Hi, I'm Samantha with Free Speech TV. We're here reporting at the Colorado State Capitol to cover a rally held by the Oromo community of Denver. They are here to raise awareness for the recent clashes that took place between military and students in the city of Ambo. The students were peacefully protesting the possibility of foreign direct investment that will displace countless Oromo communities and take away farmland from farm owners.
The protest is about the Oromo people not having freedom or having any voice in their country. In Ethiopia, we have freedom of speech. We have that right here, and we want to speak for our people who don't have voices.
I'm a college student myself, I'm a parent, and then I don't want to see that happen to anybody. Like, we have family members, my own brother, my own cousin, they're missing from their school. And this is personal to us because these students are getting killed for protesting. What I'm doing here could get me killed in Ethiopia. If I'm in Ethiopia, I could get killed right now for standing here saying this. It's not even political. This is about humanity. As a human being, I do not like seeing something like that happen to anybody, not just my family member.
We're not talking about 1 million or 2 million people that are struggling on a daily basis. We're talking about 40 million people. We make up 40%, nearly 40% of the Ethiopian population, and I think people should actually hear what these people are all about and what their oppressors are all about, and I think people should open up their eyes and really listen to, look at what's going on in Ethiopia, and really listen to our struggles.
Free speech! Free speech! Free speech! It's not a crime! Not a crime! Justice! No justice! No peace! No peace! No peace! In Ethiopia! In Ethiopia!
This is Samantha with Free Speech TV.